weird string. And you kind of music and learning to code. Been trying to do some immersive game dev stuff. Oh, 1 second. I actually got something to. Learning to draw, learning to do everything. I guess streaming to document progress to look back on. Drawing tab. Try and use this bit. Issue here. This will be a treat. Let's see. Where's my water? 1 second. If something is echoing, because I'm not wearing a headset. Where was I? Accelerating. That's the case. This part is what I don't like. We'll see how it plays out. I calculated the velocity of the already, so I don't think I need to do all this weird thing. I think I just need. Why do I need Excel versus D-Style? With the velocity boost, I can already do all that stuff. The only thing that will matter is the animation, probably.
Yeah.
I'm gonna comment all this now because this feels very confusing. Like I like the fact that there is a curve, which I probably will add that on, but my issue is with this current code, it does not actually fully stop a character. It for some reason, acceleration will reach 0 before I even stop. So it'll just get stuck moving in one direction. I don't know if that's an input issue or not, but I'll try to fix it. So this is purely based on. Do we even need? It would be kind of nice if we're slowing down. Wanna kind of do like the lean back to slow down kind of thing. If we're accelerating on lean forward a little bit, put some dust on the ground or something like that. Although that means I would have to check for if we're on the ground. Does this acceleration, deceleration also applies in the air? We'll get there when we get there. Oh, hold on. This is probably for animation purposes. This is for the curve, right? I'll also block that out too. Just need to get my dots down.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
All I really
No, I
need
don't
is
wanna waste what's left. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
We'll see how this goes. What am I choosing the acceleration rate. Yes.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Do I have an acceleration defined somewhere?
we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Acceleration
highways.
rate speeding up or slowing down. So it's currently set at 50. Am I using this value? I think I am. Okay, that's a flat acceleration. That's done already in master.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
The ocean moves us, whether that's surfing a wave or taking in an inspiring view. The ocean feeds us. Sustainable seafood practices bring the ocean's bounty to our plates. The ocean teaches us how our everyday choices, big and small, make an impact. The ocean delights us as playful otters restore coastal kelp forests. The ocean connects us. Find your connection at montereybayaquarium.org/connects.
I guess that's fine. This difference, I don't know. Maybe I need to have that in a fraction of value. This isn't really. I need to scale it. Divide it by current velocity. Target is 10, current is 5. We need to accelerate, right? So the difference is 5. Then over the current velocity would be 1. So we would do 1 times the acceleration. But say for example, if current velocity is 5 and target is 15, then it's 2 times the acceleration rate because I want to go faster, right? That might work. if it's like -5 for the target, burn is 5, and then go -10 for the cell. Velocity boost will be -15. Over curve velocity, which is 5. That's 3 times the acceleration rate. It might work. Let's see. I need to actually do this variable creation for same thing that master was doing, which is that. For accelerating, or if it's ground, we're using acceleration value for which is 50. Otherwise, using air. Although area control factors are already accounted for here. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Times.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it
Yes, this
like
is
magic.
very.
What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again?
Rate would be either I could do. Accelerating, so this otherwise then we'll scale that by the velocity. What's wrong with this? Inactive due to protection level. I have that as private. I need to merge these controllers, really getting on my nerves. Yeah, it's I'm gonna make it protection for now. So hacky. Body does not contain definition for really? Why? It's an add force, it's not applied force. Then we need direction, which is so I'm not using any of the curve, but I'm basing it on the curve delta speed of what I want versus what is curve. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Does it even compile? It's broken? I know why. Wait, I didn't even play. I think it's gonna be broken. I don't know, it feels still the same? Let's go to the launch switch here. Try it out. If I do. It's weird, and I can't jump off the wall right now. Although I'm colliding and I'm pressing right. I'm like skidding a little bit, right enough. Let's see. What am I missing? I think my player. That's why probably I need to enable it to be big. I don't like this music. Is it gonna be an ad?
Auditions. Hamburger. Callbacks. Double cheeseburger.
Oh, I'm not moving. I'm not doing animation, so I think I don't know why.
Premieres.
Oh,
Wagyu
that feels
beef
very
burger.
weird.
We get drive.
Why am I not
We
moving?
get burgers. We get LA
I'm not moving left or
Postmates.
right as much. Although it is very snappy to the jump feels very skinny. I'm turning left and right immediately. So. Okay. That part is working. Now, next thing is I need to fix the animation and what is going on here. Jump. Like I'm doing like very skinny tall jumps instead of keeping my horizontal momentum. Might be to do with I abandoned my intense control for a long time. I need to fix something with that. Probably missing a lot of also at the same time I'm missing velocity adjustment. I don't know. So it was doing move towards function. Turn to target acceleration times. This may be what I'm missing. But I thought the force is pretty much that acceleration, right? Times the time. But let me see. What if instead of this, I do similar thing? Yeah, okay. This seems very hacky. Instead of that, I would do... I feel like that's gonna be the same results. Alright, what's that look like? Now it's floaty again. Although stopping is happening immediately now instead of the other code. Jump does feel less bad.
I trace the cracks on the floor tonight. Neon shadows dance in the broken light. A heart beats loud, but it's out of sync.
Jump height
Lost in
seems
the
constant.
rhythm, I can't quite rank.
Short.
The air
It's kind of variable.
is heavy, it pulls me
I feel like this me hovering there
in that twisted
take up the animation and pull me out there. It still feels. See how like right here I'm sticking to the wall? Take off the pencil. What is going on when Master is doing all these
reflections twist in a fevered haze. The crowd is asleep, but I'm still alone. Chasing whispers I'll never
I could
hear.
make the feel by doing
It's heavy, it pulls me in.
check the feels by disabling the
Twisted
acceleration.
Shadow glow, falling deeper. I don't know. Glow, shadow glow, pull me under. Don't let go.
Where is it? What is it called? Use acceleration curve.
Shadow glow, falling deeper. I don't know. Glow, shadow glow,
There it is
pull
right
me
there.
under. Don't let go.
Without that, this is how I move. It's very slow to turn, but the jump horizontal movement is very large. So I move left and right quite a bit. Right? But then the moment I select it, it's very subtle, but it's a lot less. I don't know if I like it or not yet. It's very short distance of a jump. Here it again. This. I like the feel of this. So turning, you see like how it grips a little bit. I want that more responsive. Feels okay, but snappiness wise, I like this better. It still has a little bit, but it's faster for sure. From the full speed, this versus I don't know. Does it feel the same? Oh, this definitely feel like it's slower. So you can see the camera kind of like move right and then come back towards it. I wonder if it's a camera issue. But just moving left and right like that. There's the delay. Look at that. Fuck, I don't know. I can't tell. I really need the animation back. What is wrong? Because I have that invoke over here. It's very hacky, man. I'm doing like crazy hack stuff now. I need to redo this whole thing. I don't know. I can't tell now. This is with versus. Doesn't this feel more freaking slow? I can't tell. I'm a noob. But it feels like it slides more when you turn. Versus this. It does less for sure, I think. Yeah, it does. Although the thing is, the jump horizontal movement is a lot less though. The math is not working out. I think I need the slider stuff. You know what? I'll get back to this. Let's get it. Okay, I want to draw. I do want to draw. Now I'll redo this project stuff.
In the dark, drawing cold blood, hide away. Am I scared of nothing I'm trying to find? Cross my heart, but take a U-turn. 'Cause the
Really?
light made my skin burn. Time after time, guess I need to say sorry. Been
I have my friend testing the code out, and apparently it doesn't stick. That is strange.
I'm not gonna stay undefeated. Kiss me on the ground, bury my demons. Yeah, I'll say broken and bruised, but I'm never beaten. Kiss me on the ground, bury my demons. Yeah.
did I just do this all for no reason? Okay, he's gonna try controller. Oh, it could have been just the input issue. Fuck. All this stuff could have been done probably later. I'm focusing on wrong things right now. I need to add dash to the character and then wall jumps. Okay. Well, let me just control Z everything. Could be good, actually. Yeah, I can't decide. All this stuff is me trying to figure out the map. What did I do? You know what? I'll just do this. Close that. Not save. Where am I at?
This is a Bose moment. You've been there before. Somebody's apartment, small talk that's going nowhere, plastic cup that's almost empty. It's not great. Then someone hits play on a Bose speaker. Heads nod, feet tap, one person dances, then everyone does. Awkward becomes electric. When Bose sound fills the room, you don't just hear the music, you feel it. Your life deserves music. Your music deserves Bose. Find your perfect product at bose.com/Spotify.
Can fix my movement stuff again. Like the animation.
The map is blank before me. Where do I begin?
Right, try that.
The unknown feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath the skin. Through endless skies. Break the chain.
Right. I'm not close yet.
Rise like tides and let it fall. Just in the sea. Come drift with me.
Maybe it was the bug with the collider before. It feels good. What the heck? The issue I was having is when I was using enhanced movement controller, if I was going right or left and let go, it was continuing to slide. How it does it? Oh! I'm pretty sure this is what I did. Before I gave up on this, I think what I did is I changed the curve.
mostra o teu poder. Desliza no beat, faz acontecer. O mundo gira ao teu redor. Com esse swing, tu é maior. Mexe, remexe sem parar. Essa energia vai te levar. Chão tremendo, todo mundo dançar. É o baile que nunca vai acabar. Sobe o clima, sente o calor. Requebra no ritmo, sente o amor. Vem no flow, não pode
I can't test that real quick by changing the curve. So I think they had it at start from 1. Can I just change the value here? Time 0 was 1, and then time 1 was 0, which would cause the acceleration to be 0. You can already see. Oh, it's because I'm doing this weird thing. Can I control to like snap? Yes, I can. There, okay. So now if I try and move, see how it sticks? I'm not pressing anything. It would left, it go left, I'm pressing left, I'm going right, I let go, slice. Whatever they did with this code, it's fucking weird. I'll have to like tap the stick multiple times to change the direction because they're moonwalking. Moonwalk. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna change that back. That ain't.
là sáng sơ rơi rụng ôm nỗi sầu thầm lặng hương sắc hoa
to have a consultant. Yeah, I'm gonna table this for now, and then I'll revisit it. Really, this is pointless. Just use the master control. This already works okay. I can start adding things to it. It would be nice, but I mean, I already feel it's very not snappy, you know. That's the trade-off. It's very floaty. I did fix the bug where I couldn't jump after getting off the ledge. It costs one jump, but so I have a little coyote time, where if I just jump off a little bit after the ledge, then I still get my jump. That one was late, so I only get 2. Normally you get triple jumps like that. But if you do it late, well, that wasn't late enough. That was very forgiving for me. That's a late one. You only get 2. That's fine. That works. It'll be 0, 1. No, it will be the opposite. It will be the opposite. 0, 1. Oh yeah. I'll be right back. I'll go to the bathroom. And then I'm gonna open this up. Got a new drum pad. Noob artist, noob game dev. Everything. What the fuck? How does that work for you? Now I'm getting annoyed because my friend is testing it. It's fine. Why not mine? What is up with mine? But you didn't. What did you do? That's the only thing it changed. 01110. Okay. That's what I did too, right? Wait, not that. That's an animation thing. I swear, it does not work. Same thing, right? Same thing.
You have visions for your home. The Home Depot Home Services wants to help you bring them to life. Whether your bathroom needs an uplift, your kitchen is begging for an overhaul, or your home office demands a do-over, our local insured experts are ready to help design and customize a new look for your space. And all work is backed by the Home Depot. Let our experts make your dream home updates a reality. The Home Depot Home Services. Let us do it for you. For license information, visit homedepot.com/license.
Swear to God, if this behaves differently. Wait, what's happening? Why isn't it working? Look at the fucking thing. It's just sliding right now. I'm not doing anything. Oh, hold on. I can't hear you. Hello? No, it's not. Hello? Is it working?
Beginning.
Oh, wait, I hear you. Oh, let me mute this freaking music.
Hello?
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 Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello? Hello?
You can't hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay.
I heard you from the moment I joined.
Okay. Alright.
Hello? Is this, yeah, you missed my rant. I was saying y'all a bunch of weirdos for not, like, you're typing so much. It's just easier. Just talk.
I was doing something.
I don't believe you.
Alright, look.
Oh, are we? Oh, we're streaming. Hold on a sec. You should stream this on Twitch.
I am already am doing it.
Oh, you are? Nerd.
Yeah.
I didn't get a notification. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I didn't either. Now that I think about it.
Oh.
Twitch TV.
Are you sure you're on Twitch?
Arc.
Yeah.
I always get a notification when you.
It says I'm live.
Oh, that's the wrong one. That's not the right person. Arc Flare. You have to change your name to Arctic Flare Dev.
No.
Why didn't I get a notification?
I don't know. It's
How do we
kind of
tell
weird
if
though. The stream doesn't have a title. I did set it, but I
You
don't see
did.
it.
It says
Embedded software
Oh, okay.
engineer learning game.
Okay.
That's exactly what I told
That's
you.
a title what Mike suggested, so I just put it. I couldn't think of a better way.
It's perfect.
Okay. This curve, right? That's all I changed. I added
Wait,
this
hold on.
animation
I
shit.
can't see your code. I only see the
Oh.
game window. Unity.
Oh yeah, the Discord.
Oh, because I'm
stream
doing
pop-up.
okay. Hold on.
Well,
Wrong
the Discord stream is
screen.
shittier quality, so I'm just gonna use.
Yeah,
the,
you can look at Twitch. It's a little delayed, but
Oh,
But
but
it's
it's gonna be
lagged.
hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn it.
Okay, so all
Trying
right.
Choose
to
your
be
poison.
like Nitro again.
Okay.
zero,
Yeah.
0, 1, 0. I just added this move, the invoke stuff for
Uh-huh.
animation, right?
Yeah.
All right. Look. See how it's sliding?
Oh,
I'm not
that's
touching.
weird.
I'm not touching anything.
Can you print out the value of the velocity after it?
Yeah, I have the debug stuff which tells you. I don't know if I deleted it because I got so
Or just
angry.
hook up the debugger. Either yeah.
Oh, here it
either
is.
one will. Yeah. Oh, can I debug this now? Now that I think about it. Oh, did you commit? I need to pull, don't I?
This is pretty much there. Like you just gotta I think Mike committed it in his branch.
Yeah, but mine's still using the old character.
Okay.
Ew. I want the cute character.
So right now, delta time is 20 milliseconds.
Why is current decel time going up?
Cause it's not like 0.
Wait, stop moving. What do you mean it's not 0?
Okay, now it's stopped, but it's still going up. I don't know why.
What is the decel time? Is that the time it's supposed to tell you hit 0 or something?
Current decel time is
Oh, that's a crazy print statement.
yeah, because I got so angry, so I edited everything because I was like, fucking, it's so dumb. Where
Right
is
there,
it?
current decel time plus fixed delta time.
Yeah, so it should have been. It should get 0, but it's if it was accelerating and not, then it resets it to 0. But somehow, yeah.
Well, your if else check's obviously failing, right? The top if is if you're stopped.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
so
probably where the
it
bug
doesn't
is.
think you're stopped for some reason. So right below the line you have highlighted, there's
Just
the
put a
if
breakpoint.
else, right?
Put a breakpoint.
Yeah, just hook up the debugger. It's easier.
It's already hooked up.
Oh, why is it
Oh,
not?
it's not. What the?
Yeah, I was having that problem. Well,
Hold on,
let's see if
let
I
me
can
open
do
it
it
again.
again. Where you
All
at,
you can
player?
do is close. Yeah, that.
This some bitch all set up.
Let me just shut this off and try again.
Oh my God, your desktop. Your task manager.
Oh,
My task manager?
Your taskbar is ginormous.
Oh yeah, I started adding things to it. It's like fuck.
Oh my God.
It
You're
needs to be
treating it
small.
like Mac.
I know. Why can't it? Oh, it might have been because okay, let me close this shit.
when you edit a script, do you right click the script and edit it? How like when I try to edit it, it doesn't have the debugger. My Unity's fucked up.
Project file could not be loaded. Could not find file.
Close Unity. Close this. Close Unity.
I did.
Okay, then open Unity first.
Okay.
Oh shit, son! What is the deal with your bar? How do you find?
Mike
this?
already said it. So.
Oh. I guess you just hate icons, right?
Yes.
Got it.
If I unhide the icons, it's probably like half of the screen.
I do that in my start menu. My start menu has all my
Done. Yeah.
apps.
Okay, now it's fixed. Okay. Attach. Okay, and then press play.
So get it to the situation. Actually, no, it's already doing it right now.
Yeah.
Okay, put a breakpoint. Above 72. Ah, too late.
You can do it the next iteration.
Yeah.
You're not accelerating.
Both are
You
false.
weren't accelerating. So false does not equal false.
Yeah, so it won't go in there. So this is only happens the instance it changes, right? Because it's just whenever it switches.
Sure.
So I guess that's why it's not resetting.
That's weird. Yeah,
they're both.
That's why you're.
But the thing is, so if I like move, and then just stop real quick, just look at the values that it printed out. So the moment I started, current velocity is 6.5, and then there's a deceleration at 48.6. Next time is going 5:44 all the way right and towards. So the because of the curve is 1 to 0, right? So this decel goes to like really small amount. So that at the time current velocity is still going, right? And then by the time the decel gets to 0, it's still moving.
Well, it's because you're. Why is your actual decel so huge?
Decel is defined as like 50.
50?
Yeah, in the master, there's XL and decel are both 50. So it's scaling based on that times the curve determination of the decel time.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. So I don't know how it's working in yours. Doesn't make sense to me. It's the same code.
The thing is, what I don't like is the fact that your decel time keeps going up.
It's going up, yeah. Hold on, let me see. So when it first happened, decel time got reset to 0, right? And then it starts from the moment that decel starts, it gets reset.
Oh, so the moment, so mine, the moment I move,
yeah,
the print statements stop because your print statement's only on decel. And then when I let go,
yeah,
the decel time starts from 0 and starts ticking up.
Yeah.
So the decel time does reset.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah. So by the time once you let go, that moment that state switches, where it goes accelerating is not accelerating, that's resetting those times.
What's that time used for? You're not using that time for anything.
Which one?
Current decel time. Wait, normalized time.
Right here. Decelerating to stop.
Curve value.
It's to get the curve value, that time, to determine at what point in the curve do I want the value, what do I want to use, right? So it uses that to calculate the actual deceleration because it's multiplying that by the curve value. So the moment the curve becomes 0 is when you don't have deceleration, and that causes it to be because to have still the velocity.
Your decel time is ginormous. The clamp makes it a 1. Normalized time becomes 1. Your curve value at 1 equals 0, and that's why you're getting 0 decel. That part makes sense. And if you have 0 decel, then you're going to continue with your acceleration.
Yeah, exactly.
So all that part makes sense. The question is, why is mine? So if my decel time is humongous, or current decel time versus what's decel time? My decel time is 0.2.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. 0.2 × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10 Well, the funny thing is, I'm stopped right now. I have velocity of 0.
Uh-huh.
So it's always going into the else statement, even if your velocity is 0. Okay.
Yeah, this code is funky, man. I like when it started happening, I tried to like debug and stuff. I read through the code. Mathematically, it won't make sense. I'm missing something. I don't know.
When you're moving, actually, let me fuck how to do this right. I want to look at your values. Start moving left.
Okay. Let me play again.
Start moving left, so the print statement stop.
Okay.
And then let go. And then hit stop. What's your very first current velocity?
After it resets. Negative 5.82.
So mine's negative 8.
Okay.
Has something else changed?
I don't think so.
Movement speed is 8. Is in the movement configuration, it says it's 8. What's yours?
Should be the same. Let me see. Yep, it is 8.
50, 50, 30, 30. What else is there? Is there something because your character's a lot larger, or is your character the same size? Well, it looks about the same size now.
Yeah, I mean, it is, but then, I mean, it was happening before, even with the skeleton. Actually, I could do that. Yeah, I could. I could
Actually,
just switch to your branch.
switch
Yeah.
to my branch and see if you have it.
Yeah. Oh, I have Git K open. Okay. Oops. Yeah, it's still doing it.
What the fuck? So it's a configuration between my computer and yours.
Oh, Jesus, fuck. I don't want to deal with that shit. What the fuck?
So I am running at 120 hertz.
Oh, the frame rate, you think?
Yeah. Try changing yours to 120 hertz.
Where is that again?
Your monitor, just in Windows.
Oh.
I don't know if that's gonna fuck with the stream though.
I don't care.
Advanced.
It is 120.
Oh fuck.
Is it frame rate? Like,
I'm playing at 1080. What are you playing at?
2K.
2K? Alright, let's try 2K.
Let's try 1080p. No, it's still doing it with 1080.
Mine works just fine.
Dude, I don't know what's going on.
What else is different?
Check out Mike's code and just beyond compare it.
No, he's using my code.
Yeah, I just checked out his branch.
Yeah.
JK.
Yeah, so this is purely computer configuration problem.
Let me stop. What do I see for the velocity? I did the same thing that you were asking. First thing that prints is negative 5.79.
5.79?
Yeah. I think that's the same thing as what I had earlier on the other one. You said yours is negative 8, right?
Yeah.
At the delta time of 0.0199? Yeah. What's your actual decel value there at that time?
So it starts at actual decel is 98.6.
What?
And then by the time velocity hits 0, my actual decel is 67.6.
Wait, that doesn't make sense because actual decels, the first decel value is 50. Do you have your curve set still at 2 to 1? That sounds like what is happening.
I checked it in exactly. I didn't change anything since I checked it in.
Right, but is your inspector, because the inspector doesn't, did you close and reopen the project or did you reset the script?
I just hit save.
No, I don't think the so when you changed in the code, sometimes it doesn't reflect on the inspector. The fact that your decel value is double it, I think your curve didn't take effect.
Points.
Hey, knock it off.
Let's see.
Which is super strange. If that's still 1 to 0.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Okay. Okay, that makes so much sense. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's what I had to do to fix it, but I don't even know like why, you know?
Well,
Like
no,
by the
I
time
know why.
by the time the decel reaches 0, it should have slowed, like the velocity should have become 0 already. Right? The fact that I had to like increase it so that by the end of the time I still have a decel value doesn't make sense. I should have 0 decel value at the time.
It's so your decel time, let's see. Current decel time is increasing. Let me pull up the code.
I really didn't like the way they're doing this, so I tried instead of doing all of these, I just tried to do apply force with just scaling not of the curve, but just based on your speed difference between the target and the current velocity.
Yeah.
When I did it though, it horizontal movement during jump and stuff is very, very small when I do it like that. So I scrapped that too. Maybe it needs a scale factor or something, but still, but I don't know. Felt kind of strange.
So I don't like the current decel time.
It kind of does make sense that I want a snappy deceleration, which means I should have it double. But
no, but see the thing is your current decel time, right? That part, this code kind of doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
So you're counting up the total amount of time for your deceleration. But then you're dividing it by your decel time. Like the amount of time you want to give it to decelerate, right? So right now it's at 0.2 seconds. If I'm understanding what these variables mean, 0.2 seconds is the total amount of time you want it to decelerate.
Yeah.
Correct? So then if you're saying this is the total amount of time that I'm currently trying to decelerate, divided by the total amount of time that I need to decelerate, that should always be 1 or less, right? 1.0 or less. Especially because your curve only goes from 0 to 1.
Yeah. So normalizing it would make it, right? So like initially,
That's
this current
well,
decel time is 0, right? And then the next frame is gonna be point. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Is it 0.2 the decel time, or is it 0.02? 0.2.
0.2.
So that means for 10 update, because update time delta time is 0.02, it's 20 milliseconds, right? And you wanna slow down by 10 updates, right? Because the decel time, like total defined, is 0.2. So within the 10, the first should be 0, and next should be 1 over 10, right? All the way to 10 over, or yeah. So that's how they divided it in this normalized time you're talking about, right? Doesn't that make sense? Because you're trying to find the position of the curve value
Yeah, hold on.
within those 10 frames.
Yeah, but the curve, the amount of deceleration is not correct. Because, so yeah, the normalized time makes sense,
Yeah.
but then the deceleration value goes to 0 so quickly that it's not accounting for. So, in other words, let's just say you have your velocity was low, then this would work. But at velocity at a higher number, it won't account for the amount of velocity change you would have to do within the 0.2 seconds.
Right.
And that's why you keep like sliding.
Yeah. If it was instead of scaling on acceleration or deceleration, if it's scaling based on the like just velocity scaled through the curve, that would make sense, right? Like the fact that it's an acceleration is the issue, I think, right? Because you're to like the amount of time it takes for that velocity to go 0 with this curve value doesn't match up with when the acceleration becomes 0. That's the issue, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you were to change your deceleration time, because right now your velocity is -8 or just 8, right? If you were to increase your deceleration time, then your skating would go away. So let's try that.
Yeah. Yeah, I assume so. But the thing is, that makes it very sluggish to slow down,
Slow,
right? Because
yeah.
the time is
Yep.
longer.
But in
So,
terms
yeah.
of the curve, yeah, so that works.
Yeah. This whole curve thing is
It's not that bad at 1 second.
Is the
because it's 1 second, that denominator is large.
So it
So
has
even-
more steps. Like it
It
doesn't
has-
move through the curve that fast, right? So it'll
Correct.
stay high for
Which
longer.
means your deceleration value is higher longer, yes.
That feels like a hack though, right? I feel like fundamentally this is wrong.
I agree. The
Yeah.
code is not correct.
Yeah.
Even at 0.5, it's not bad.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, so you're just trying to match the curve to your, I mean, you're balancing a bunch of numbers, right? That's
Yeah.
what you're trying to do right now,
It's
which
so
is not
hacky.
ideal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, with your confirmation, I'm changing it, or I might just scrap it. Maybe I'll go back to my force equation and then play around with that.
was the Silksong characters turning back and forth instantaneous? I'm pretty sure it was.
No, it
right?
wasn't. It wasn't.
It was not.
It's the thing. The reason it feels snappy is when you have a dash and you change direction and dash, it's immediate. But if you just run and change
you actually
direction, it's
skate a
slow.
little bit.
Yeah.
Well, run or you're talking about sprinting or normal movement?
Like, dash is sprint, right? So the moment you trigger a dash, to sprint in the other direction, it changes immediately. But if you don't,
Well, yeah, I
it
just meant
skates,
like
yeah.
okay, yeah, just normal walking.
Yeah.
Oh.
So going back to your other solution.
My other
So what were you-
solution, I scrapped it, but I can code it real fast. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me switch back to my branch. Oh, I changed something. Okay. Let's see if I remember. Pretty sure I remember. So what I did is I commented all this crap. And here. Actually, I did this. Ah, dang it.
You don't work for that.
Oops. No.
I don't know. The character instantly changes directions in my Silk Song.
When
No,
you're
it doesn't,
walking
because
or
I
when you're
remember
running?
being frustrated by that, like when I'm boss fighting
I'm
and stuff.
actively doing it right now.
When
I
you're
don't know.
walking, it instantly changes, but when you're running,
Yeah,
it
that's what I'm talking about. Walking,
Oh,
running, I
walking.
get it.
Oh, okay.
you forgot a semicolon on line 66.
Like the
Oh,
running
thanks.
having momentum makes perfect sense, but walking I think should have zero
Yeah.
momentum associated to it.
What
I
I do
agree.
here,
Or at least almost zero.
From the player's perspective, zero.
Yeah.
and
But she also kind of tricks you because she doesn't change. She changes direction, but she doesn't turn around immediately. She kind of slides back for a second.
hold on, now I forgot what I was doing. Current velocity is. Oh, it's not zero, I think. Delta velocity. Shit, I should have undone all this stuff.
What are you trying to do?
So if it's in the same.
Don't tell me math. Just what are you trying to do? Like in terms of the character.
Switch fast, like what Johnny said. Movement
Just
wise.
immediately switch fast?
Yeah. Like
Then
if you're
why even have
walking,
a
it should just
decel?
go. Huh?
Then why even have a decel? Just turn target velocity to 0.
But I want like in other things too, to be snappier, less than floaty.
What do you mean by other things?
Like even if you're in the air, like strafing in the air, that type of stuff. I want it to be more snappier, I guess, changing direction wise.
Yeah.
Instead of sliding
Why
around.
can't you just set the velocity to 0?
Could, but then if we're running, for example, I do want that momentum.
Well, yeah. So
Right.
then you can just, for walking, because you have like a walking state, if it's walking and you're switching directions, just set velocity to 0. I mean, that would be like instantaneous, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean,
But
I don't
if
like
you
this
want to
anyway.
do it, if you want to do math, then so what you're trying to do is just the moment you change directions, you want to gradually turn velocity to 0
Mm-hmm.
and then gradually increase the velocity in the direction your new heading direction. Is that what you're trying to do?
Yes, but that's what Master is doing, right? Master is just constant acceleration to slow down, but I want it to be more weighted. If it's moving fast, then heavier decel. If it's slow, then you don't need as much, kind of thing. So that's what
then
I
you
was trying
set
to
it as a
do.
function of your velocity.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So like the way I was rewriting is based on delta velocity, because this is gonna be delta velocity is a scale factor for how much I'm applying deceleration.
Well, delta velocity is what's target velocity versus current velocity? What is the meaning behind that?
Target velocity is the movement input times the speed of the character, right? The 8. And then current velocity is just whatever the character is moving. So if I'm like moving stick left full when I'm like currently moving right, that's a big amount. So delta is going to be huge. So if I multiply that by the acceleration times the time, then it'll have the other force towards the other direction, heavier. Does that make sense?
Right, so if your stick is, let's say your stick and your heading is in the same direction,
yes,
then your delta velocity should be near 0.
if it matches, then yeah, you don't have
Okay,
anything.
all right.
Yeah. So if you're
Then
moving more than your speed, then you'll have acceleration, but it won't be less than if you're going the other direction. Stuff like that.
so let's say your current velocity, you were heading in one direction.
Yeah.
You're trying to update the next frame, you switch directions.
Mm-hmm.
So then, okay, then you would have a very large delta velocity.
Yep.
Right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Keep going.
Yeah, so that's what I was doing.
So I got line 66. I get the point of it, because normally when you say delta v, it actually means acceleration.
Oh, yeah.
Delta v is acceleration. That's why it's confusing when I read that.
Oh, can
like,
do vel delta then.
Well, so like delta position means velocity. Delta velocity means acceleration. Like the derivative position or the change of position over time is velocity. Change of velocity over time is acceleration.
So velocity difference then.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Okay.
Okay.
So I was thinking about this and I wrote it, but I forget now. If velocity direction value matches, I think current was. No, that's not the acceleration. So if it's going positive and the velocity difference is 10 minus 5 would be 5. I think it's the same direction. Then I think it was this. So the change in direction, I think that's what I had. And then where was that thingy? Apply movement, where is it? Why is it showing over here? So I had the similar thing here. What? Okay. Oh, because I didn't copy those yet. God damn it. I hate autocomplete sometimes.
The bool accelerating part doesn't make any sense to me.
So if you're going in the same direction, right, your current movement direction matches your like where it's applying more. Like, so say we're going 5 and then
So accelerating, you mean positive acceleration. Like you're increasing velocity.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
So like if you're
not
5 and
switching
you're going 5 and then you want to change direction, right? So then this will be like -10 or something. Then this velocity difference becomes -5. And then current is going 5, so it's the opposite direction. So that will be decelerating.
Well,
so
not necessarily.
Hmm?
Because so your target velocity,
Yeah.
it could be a positive number.
Yes.
So like you're moving right,
Mm-hmm.
and then your current velocity, you were going left, so that would be a negative number. But then it's a subtract a negative number, so it becomes a very large positive number.
Yeah. So if the sign, so if you're going negative, if you're going left, right, the velocity difference is going to be opposite of the sign opposite of that. So it will be decelerating. So accelerating will be false. Does that make sense?
Well, that's what I mean. So if you were switching direction, technically you're still accelerating.
I would call it decelerating. Like you're slowing down, right?
Okay. That's my question. Okay.
Yeah,
To me, acceleration is positive and negative. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Got it.
So then, be that. Then, where is it? And then I think all I did is I think I did this. It's called delta time. I think that's all I did. Then I think I need to make that. Oh, times the yeah, that's I think that's just of what I did.
Why did you change it to protected? Just random question.
I just wanted to have it in the enhanced movement controller.
What was it before?
Private.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm just trying to get it. So I really want to combine all these freaking controllers into one. It's really bugging me. But for now, I'm just trying to do it as fast as I can. So yeah. So
Okay,
with
so
this,
the rigid body.
Yeah.
Rigid body, you're adding a force. I'm assuming those are all multiplied because I can't tell.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it is.
All right, times velocity difference. So the difference between target and current. Okay.
So what happens is, I think this becomes too big or small. I don't know. Whatever. I did here feels very stiff. So once you understand this, and then I can show you what it looks like.
So line 81,
Yeah.
if you're heading in the direction that your stick is also, so meaning that you're heading in the same direction,
Uh-huh.
if you've already caught up to the velocity that's your max velocity, that delta velocity, the vel diff x should be 0, so that entire thing add force becomes 0.
Yeah, yeah.
As you're catching up to the max velocity, that number gets smaller and smaller and smaller.
Yep.
So then, okay, so that makes sense. If you're switching direction though, that velocity difference could be large,
Yeah.
both positive and negative. So you can switch in either direction. So that vel diff x could be positive or negative.
Yeah.
Could also mean that you're just switching directions.
Yeah.
Accel rate is a positive number. Delta time, the right. Okay. So that part makes sense. That all makes sense.
Yeah. So like when I tested it, it all works. It's just the feel is very different. So I'll show you. That works weird. That's incorrect.
Very slow.
That was not what it was like. Hold on, what's going on? Wait, why do I have 2 of them open?
What's the unit when it's add force?
Hold on, let me close one of them. For some reason I had 2. I don't know. Let me look it up. I'm pretty sure it's like Unity units or something again. Doesn't tell you. Add force to rigid forces, specify as 2 separate blah 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 blah. Yeah, it doesn't tell you the units.
Okay, hold on, let me see.
But let me try to fix what I missed. I might have missed something here. This didn't look right, so I might have.
Turns a point on the perimeter of all enabled. Wait, no. Wait, add force. The definition says exclude from docks, and there's no comments.
What?
If you F12 on add force, takes you to their code.
Oh yeah.
And there's a tag that says exclude from docks.
Oh yeah, that's funny.
Add force X. Adds a force to the X component of the rigid body. Linear velocity. Only leaving the Y component of the world. Blah 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 blah. So it's velocity. X component of the linear velocity in world space. Okay, so it's in world space.
Why is it working different? I missed something here. Unless
The add force, isn't that a? Damn it. It's a vector 2. Did you pass it a vector 2?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hold on. I think I might have missed something. Speed difference times acceleration. Speed rate. No, that's right.
You can do add force X.
Oh wait! I didn't do this. That's what it is. Yeah, I didn't have delta time before. Another thing I tried is when this didn't feel right. That's when I did. I'll give you what other one I did. I'm gonna comment it, but. did pretty much this. But I did instead of that, I did the that's what I did. So
I'm gonna try and do what you're doing.
So I tried two different ones.
Can you copy all that and put it in Discord?
Yeah, this part or the whole
No,
section.
whatever you changed. I think from 67.
Yeah. Okay. Here.
Yeah. Too lazy to type. Okay. All right. You're gonna show me something?
Mm-hmm. So with this, without the delta time, I think it'll feel like how I did before. Okay, so yeah.
It's like immediate.
This movement feels pretty good, snappy. But then jump. You see how direction, like horizontal movement is almost 0 because it's constant. So whenever I jump, it's very vertical jump.
Your air acceleration.
My air acceleration is lower at 30, but I don't use that in here. Oh, I do use it.
Yeah, you
actually.
do. Yeah.
Okay.
Try changing that.
Okay. Let's see. Let me just make it same and see. Oh, I gotta restart again. Maybe that's it. No, it still feels very weird. So
right now your velocities.
Oh, you can float.
I can't. Let me make a way to compare real quick.
Oh, but yeah, I just did it, and I didn't change the air acceleration yet though.
Yeah, it feels about the same still.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. 50 versus 50.
How did I shut it off? Oh, I did what I did is oh, it's already there. Use acceleration curve is the one that enables that. So if I just uncheck it, I can Hunter move. Yeah, if I just uncheck acceleration curve, then it feels normal. Right, like jumping fine, and then the moment I add it, then it goes.
Wait, but you're not even using that curve, are you?
Yeah, I'm not. But the variables tied to that function that I'm changing. So it'll.
Oh, I see. I see
the difference.
I see.
So when you change it to the other version, that feels a little different.
What doesn't make sense is the only difference is ground versus air.
Yeah. I think. Hold on, let me see. Does this? It might be the fact that the ground speed is also very small. What the fuck just happened? I just flew.
What's ground speed?
I think it's this. I meant the ground. Like, hold on. I think I fucked up with this.
Wait, do you have something that also changes? What is this? Air control factor.
Oh, that was. I kept it in there for like air strafing.
Well, what if it's that? Let me comment that out.
Think so?
Seems normal now.
Oh yeah, it does change in the air, huh? Okay. If that's the case, that might be an opposite, like, the sign might be wrong then in the air control stuff.
Well, what are you trying to do for that one?
I just kept it, this is the way it was, but it was like, you know how, like, when you're falling, or, like, you're in the air, you try to move, it's a little floatier. I think that's what this was trying to do, so I just kept it. But
floaty to me sounds more of a Y direction, not a X direction. So what do you mean by floaty?
like, you know how when you're falling, you're like moving right and try to switch left, it becomes like you just still drift right more, kind of, you know. So this would be trying to limit that.
Oh, you mean like trying to change X direction in the air?
Yeah.
It's difficult.
Yeah. Let me
That
try.
part makes sense.
So maybe that's why, but it's too strong. That's what it is, maybe. It feels a little bit better, I feel like, but it's still, the jump feels very vertical still, right? The horizontal is still limited for some reason. So I don't know if I like this either. But yeah, if it's
You have an air control factor times another constant. Just lower the air control factor. I don't know what this dude was trying to do.
yeah. I just commented it.
You said F it?
Yeah, I mean, like, I'm trying to just, you know, now I guess I'm like pretty much doing my own thing, because
I mean, that's what I would
Yeah.
never.
I was trying to
reuse
learn, like, you know, why was it doing what it's doing. I just skipped that section for now, and I was doing the bottom part, but I mean, it turns out the bottom part doesn't make sense anyway, so so I feel like I like the idea of doing it based on velocity difference, but I just want to make it feel better, I guess. So in this case, but I'm not sure why it's different, even though the value for the air acceleration is same. It feels wrong. What if I just do twice that for the force? It will be same. So once it's constant velocity, then it won't do anything. This adding force, right? So maybe that's the
Sorry,
issue.
I was trying to figure out your air thingy. But what was your question?
Like, if I was just trying to scale the force by 2 times 2, but the moment it becomes the target and the current becomes the same, it won't matter anymore. Like,
correct. Yeah.
So yeah, so instantly, like, when I first move, it's super fast, but then
yeah,
I guess this is fast. This is fine too. The 2 times is just too much, but
I mean,
the scale between in the ground versus air will probably do the same thing here. I do like 1.5.
I mean, that's the same as changing. So I don't like having hard-coded constant like magic numbers.
Yeah.
You already have everything in place.
I know,
right?
Yeah.
It's like your acceleration, you can just change that value instead.
Yeah.
But
yeah, you're right. So, like, I was thinking, like, this would be also good. Like, the reason why I did this whole thing today is if I learn how to do this, then I can do dash. because dash has the immediate force to the other direction, right? Or the dashing direction. So I could vary the force based on, like, if I press a dash, I would have another curve pretty much to do like a very strong excel or force whatever in that direction. So I was trying to use this to kind of learn towards dash, but yeah, getting stuck.
But for your air thing, I'm still stuck on that. Sorry.
Okay, okay. Let's study it since you're stuck on it. I didn't read it really. So if it's in the air and you have that variable set, momentum is if it's different direction than where you are currently going, then it's true. And
so, I just want to know what the point of this is. So,
yeah. Let me understand it first. Hold on.
Okay.
So if you're going opposite, you're doing, what the fuck is air control factor? 0.7.
0.7, yeah.
Times 0.5. What? Oh, you're reducing the velocity in the opposite direction. Oh, okay. That's weird because that would make it more floaty, wouldn't it? Like, it would make it harder to change the direction. Because you're reducing the target velocity.
I don't know. I'm already changing the code.
But yeah. I mean, but isn't that what you see, right?
I don't know. I've been changing the code. I've been trying to figure out what you want and then just changing the code to what you want.
I mean, I don't know if I actually want this now that I'm reading it. Because
that's what I mean. So what do you want?
I would rather want it, if you're changing direction in the air, make it easier to switch direction rather than make it harder to switch direction.
Oh, really?
You want more air control than it's providing.
Yeah.
Oh.
What this code is doing is make it harder to turn.
It's not just harder to turn, it's just harder to do anything in the air.
Right. Even if you're moving in the same direction, yeah.
The same direction, correct, yeah. So
well, actually, is it? Oh, no, yeah, because basic factor is 0.7, so it'll be just...
Yeah, Yep. So it's always less, your velocity is less, no matter what, if you're in the air.
Yeah,
so
but if you're opposite, it's even half of that. Okay. I don't know. I actually don't know, because I don't know how all of these would feel.
So for you, it's just, if you're jumping in the same direction that you're going and you're not switching directions, you want it to feel normal. Same velocity as the ground. True or no?
Somewhat. I want to move faster.
You just make it a slider, like some of the variable sliders, and just test it out, right?
Yeah.
See how it feels.
Like, like if you're in the air, right? Say if you're going right, if you're falling, you will go right faster than usually.
That's not how physics works.
And then you would want to, like, but then to compensate for that, you move faster. Like, does that make sense? I don't know what I'm saying. Like, I would want to make it hard to control in the air, but the way it would do it is make everything faster to move instead of limiting it like this code. Does that make sense? I want to limit it. I want to make it harder in the opposite direction.
You want to move faster in the air.
Yeah. So, like, if you want to move... Yeah, go ahead.
So let's say on the ground you have velocity in the x direction at 10. You jump in the air, you're still going in the same direction. So you want to have velocity in the x direction to be like 15?
Oh, I didn't think about jumping, but like I was thinking about just falling like through a stage, right? If you're like constantly falling. I was thinking about that. I didn't think about the jump. Increasing increase
Go
the
ahead,
speed of
sir.
jump, I don't know if it might feel jarring if the speed increases at jump. I don't know.
I was actually thinking though, like in a jump, you are accelerating yourself quickly, but so it would be like your acceleration increases really quick and then it decreases quicker than normal too, though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Correct, but your velocity doesn't. Because in the x direction, your velocity doesn't technically change by much, nor does it go to 0. It doesn't go less than what you started with, right? I mean, in the real world, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, you might have a positive acceleration in the initial jump because you're physically putting energy into it, but then moment you have no more forces acted on you except for gravity, your x direction velocity does not change. You're at
Right.
acceleration of 0 at that point.
Mm-hmm.
But for you, what you're saying is you want the environment to move faster. To me, that just means acceleration due to gravity in the y direction, not in the x direction.
Yeah, but I guess in another word, will describe what I want is I want to be able to strafe in the air really fast, left and right. So, um, like say if you're falling, for example, changing the direction. Like if you press right, you would move faster than if you were on the ground. But then also when you change direction midair, you would also change faster than you would on the ground.
But what's giving you that extra force?
His magic.
Some kind of factor that would apply to.
No, I'm talking about in your game world.
Yeah.
What is giving you that extra energy to make you move in the x direction while you're in the air? Because in reality, you can't, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah. I
felt
don't want it to be
any-
realistic, right? I just
No, I
want
know,
it to.
I understand that. So I'm saying in your game, what is giving you that extra force to propel you in the x direction while you're in the air, while you're midair? Is there like some ability that
No.
you're given?
No, I want that to be a basic thing.
Well, I mean, it could be a basic like from the very beginning, but
Uh huh.
somehow magically you're given this ability to move in the air in the x direction.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just game logic.
I just want to see how that feels. I guess that's what I like. I want to, because I don't know how it will feel, but in my mind, having the ability to strafe a lot faster would be nice.
So you want really, really good control in the air, basically, right?
Yeah. So like, I almost feel like Silksong is doing this because if you jump off the wall, you can go straight back. Right? Like you can move
like
pretty much
towards
diagonal
back towards
jump
the
and then
wall.
diagonal back to where you were. If you were actually following what you were doing on the ground, I don't think you can do that. Because you have a huge acceleration jumping off the wall, so you need a big acceleration back to where you were.
That's a good point,
in the
Roger.
air, right?
I don't know. I'm gonna load up the game and test it. Never thought about it.
Something very stupid, simple change.
Okay.
Let me see if it's what you want.
Like you just increase the air control factor to more than 1?
No, fuck the air control factor. Okay, so where's your code? Lines 51
Uh-huh.
to 65, just comment it all out.
Okay.
That entire thing, 65.
Oh, 65.
That entire block, yeah, just comment it out. And then if not grounded, if not is grounded.
Yeah.
And then just put in there target velocity x, and then multiply equal, and then some value that's greater than 1.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Air control factor greater than 1.
Yeah, but right now that's less than 1. That's right now it's 0.7, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
see if that's what you want.
Yeah. I can't really tell because my fucking other one is so slow. Let me uncheck it. I need to make it bigger to see. Hold on. Let's make it huge. Not 12. Okay, and then I can just check and uncheck the other thingy. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Do it again.
Super maneuverable in the air.
Yeah.
You know, I gotta say, I think that the air control and the ground control in Silk Song are identical numbers.
Think so? Okay.
I mean,
but yeah, this is
very hard to
definitely
tell,
worse. Like right now, right? If you look at this
Yeah.
one, I can't zigzag at all.
Yep.
But
then
if
when
I
you turn it on-
have that on, that feels really nice. The fact that I can like move it immediately left and right. Like, Johnny, if you're looking at this, right? Silk Song feels like this, doesn't it?
Yeah, you can
Like
do
you'd
that.
be able to
Not
zigzag
as much, but
immediately.
yeah.
I mean, Silk Song's floatier though. Like
Oh.
there's too much gravity pushing you to the ground, I think, versus like there's like when I guess I can just stream it and show you guys.
Okay. Yeah, I do like this. Maybe 2 is too high, but I think I like that.
So when she jumps, like she hits her apex and just stays there for a while,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, there's a hang
And then
time.
when you have like a lot of control in the air.
Like, yeah, the direction change in the air is instant.
Wait, do this, Johnny. So, the moment you hit jump, go left at your apex, turn right.
Oh.
It's the same spot.
Yeah.
So there is no multiplier or anything like that.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It almost feels like the ground and the air controllers is the identical amount of
X direction.
X direction, yeah. Dude, I don't
Maybe
remember
it's
the
the
buttons.
gravity. So right now, if I do that, right, with multiplier 1.2, I can kind of do the same thing. But if I don't do it, then it's impossible.
Well, the thing
Right?
is,
I have the momentum.
you have no hang time. You immediately reach your apex, and then you go like full blown.
Yeah.
Downward direction.
That's also the reason I was looking at this freaking enhanced move controller, because I felt like with that curve, I can change the hang time.
I mean, right now, so what I did instead of your add force, I did an add force X. So it's a faster calculation, but you're not changing anything in the Y direction. So then at this point you can. Right? So my version's a little, I don't know, it's a little messy. There's so much
like
commented out code.
Yeah.
So yeah, like if grounded, and then that way you can change your Y direction, your Y component velocity.
Wait, say that again. Sorry.
So yeah, that if not grounded,
you
can just have like an else statement to that, so that it is, or no, yeah, it's part of that first if. So when you're in the air, I should say, your target velocity in the Y direction you can also change, or your acceleration in the Y direction you can change. Right, because your line number 89 is only adding force in the X component.
Correct.
So you can also add a force in the Y component when you're in the air.
Okay.
And only in the air.
But I want to do that in jump, right? I think it's done here somewhere.
It's apply movement with curves. So I would put it in the apply movement with curves.
I need to organize it.
It comes down to code organization.
Yeah, it's because initially this code is anything movement was only X direction, and then it does the jump after that for Y calculation.
Oh, I see.
But I did, so another thing I could do here, because I think what I did with this fucking thing is for Snappy, I added this crazy gravity factor based on the amount of jump time. So like if you're holding the button long, you get less initial gravity. So like the feel I wanted to replicate is in Silksong, if you just let go, you fall immediately, right? But then if you hold for longer, now you can tell because its jump height is kind of fucked up. But yeah, you can stay in the air just a little bit longer. So this is the factor I did, but I could change this probably to make it longer. But I mean, hold on, let's see. Yeah, so I need to like organize what I really want to do. Is like the videos I all watch is like make it into 3 stages where you're accelerating, hanging, and falling. But I don't do any of those here yet, or at least the hanging time.
I wouldn't change the gravity factor.
I
would change the Y direction velocity based off how long you pressed it. That is the only thing I would do.
Okay.
That way the feeling is exactly the same if you press and let go immediately versus pressing and holding. That initial, the same amount of time where the button is pressed, that feeling, that velocity is still the same.
Okay.
Because what I notice in your game is if I press it real short, I accelerate stupid fast. And in both directions, I jump up and down as fast. But then if I press and hold, it feels floatier.
Yeah.
So like the jump feel is different.
Yeah. It's because of this, pretty much. So, because if I'm holding jump, so this is, so falling down is I just set it equal to whatever the gravity plus whatever. But if it's holding, then all I'm doing is reducing the velocity by this. Because gravity is negative, right? So I just like, I let it go in the direction, but then I like reduce this. And the gravity scale, I believe, is so how would I, so in this case then I mean this is pretty much what's changing the hang time right now, I think, when you're holding jump.
So I wouldn't even care about holding jump, it's just jump hold time. Right? Is holding jump is gonna be true. Jump hold time is gonna be greater than 0. So isn't that kind of, that if statement isn't kind of redundant? Is holding jump and jump hold time?
So what? No. So when you are maxed out on your jump time, then it would go back to doing the same thing.
If jump and wants to jump, execute jump. Wait, what's this? If can jump and wants to jump, execute jump. That gets called.
This one?
Yeah, line 67 gets called when you jump.
Yeah.
68. What's the condition for 68's else? Can't jump or doesn't want to jump?
Pretty much you press a jump, but you're not able to, because if you either you ran out of jumps or you're hitting the ceiling. That's the else case. Like you just can't jump.
Also counts for while you're in mid jump. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay.
So here, like this is what I added for velocity equal greater than 0 is you can't jump, but you're still going up at that point because you already initiated the jump previously. So this whole thing is if you're ascending at this point.
You're ascending, but also decelerating, or decelerating.
Yeah. Okay. So, in that case, if you're holding, this first if is what it's doing. Otherwise, this is making it fall earlier, like immediately, pretty much. So, like for this one update, fixed update frame, whatever you call it, the moment you let go, if you hit the ceiling, you just fall by twice the gravity, like, or otherwise, it's how long you've held your jump previous to falling.
So it's that 2 times the gravity part that makes it feel a little bit weird for me.
Yeah, I noticed it. Like when you do a short jump, it's kind of like very, very fast, right?
Get slammed, yeah.
But that's not even this 2x. This is only for ceiling contact. But it'll be this one. Yeah. This guy.
Previous jump held time max. So if that equals 1, then it's 1 times 0.3?
Yeah. So it'll be 0.7.
So if that's previous jump held time. So if you held it the longest, if you held it a very short amount of time, then that becomes a very small number multiplied by a small number.
So it ends up being near 1.
Yep. Okay, yep.
Hunter! So I could play with this number, but also that 0.3 is very... or all these numbers are magic numbers, so...
Well, let's see. What line is that? It's 82.
I have a feeling the moment I start adding dashes and stuff, this is gonna get more crazy. Already these random numbers I'm playing around with. Oops. Another note, I got my tablet.
Oh, nice. You're welcome.
Yeah.
So line 82, I just commented it out after the 1.
After the 1?
So I just made it 1.
Oh,
as long as there's no ceiling contact, and it feels okay.
Okay. So that means it won't be accounting for the jump, the whole jump time. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
So then it'll be always 1.
Yep.
Doesn't that mean you fall faster though? Still, right? Let me see. Let's see how it feels. Yeah. So you stay, or you don't get enough. Actually, falling is like this is fine. In case I could increase the jump distance. That still feels kind of weird, right? Spamming jump. Although this is, I think this is also a part animation, because I think this is exactly what happens on Silksong.
Oh, if you spam jump?
Yeah, that you fall down immediately, like it looks very bouncy. The only thing that I feel very weirded out is when you like spam jump out, you're kind of in the air, like you just kind of bounce between two positions. That's what is kind of feels weird to me right here. Like if I'm doing this. But the thing is, the reason I feel like it's animation issue is you don't get a feedback that you're actually doing a jump, but you're standing still and doing this. It makes it feel awkward.
So add an animation.
Yeah, that's what I planned to do today after just fixing a couple things, and I still haven't gotten around to it. So, and also the fact that I'm doing triple jump like that is probably why it's really weird. If you do it double, it might be okay. Yeah, I think that's fine, but
the ability to spam jump is there needs to be a timeout.
Yeah,
because you can't really do that in Silksong either, right? Or
yeah,
a lot of modern games you can't spam jump.
Yeah, so once you land, you can't jump again. But isn't that weird?
No, like when you're mid-air, you can't like press jump like back to back to back immediately, right? You have to time it in Silksong. Like if you spam it, it won't register.
Really?
I'm pretty sure it
No.
won't register.
Hold on, I want to try now. Also, I think I need to change my jump height. Or at least the second jump height. I don't know. It feels very short.
Oh, really? I mean...
Or maybe the initial jump height. I don't know.
Don't change anything until you get the animations in.
Yeah.
Because then you might not like it. You're gonna spend
Yeah,
more time
I feel like
tuning
that's where I'm getting into like this weird... I feel like, yeah, I definitely need the entire feel of it before... Yeah, see, I can do that.
No, so like, do a double jump real quick.
See?
Well, no, you're floating.
That's double jump.
Wait, go right and do a double jump. Like,
Right now?
move in the X direction. I don't care which direction. Just move in the X direction.
Oh, I guess there is a little bit.
Yeah, you can't smash it like real quick.
But I think so. Yeah, there's a slight one. You can see it right now, right?
Yeah.
If it's too fast,
I know,
you
'cause
won't do it.
Yeah, because every time I hated the double jump sometimes in the platforming. So I would like try to spam it real quick so that it would do a very short one, but it wouldn't register.
Yeah. I want to say this is still very short. So, okay. I can probably... So, if I look at what I am doing right now...
There's like no timeout in yours.
Yeah.
I can like spam it real quick.
Yeah. It feels very jarring.
I mean, no, it's not...
Hold on,
The thing is, it feels... To me, this feels like a video game I grew up with. Like, freaking Castlevania. Like, literally, it feels... Playing this right now, it feels like that.
Doesn't it feel like... I don't know, because I'm moving too fast, but I feel like I'm just, like, doing it so fast.
Oh, I'm playing in my version, not yours. Yours is moving a lot faster.
Mine's moving a lot faster?
Yeah, than mine.
Why is that?
I don't know, maybe because my character's slightly smaller?
I've seen double hats. And if I do a long jump, it feels fine. So like this might feel weird right now, but when you're actually playing, you don't do that, right? So I should not touch it yet. I mean, I might touch the time between it, but
So the hard part is going to be when you do animations.
yeah.
So let's say you do an animation where he rolls in the air, right? Like
Ori does.
Ori or yeah. Then you won't be able to do a quick double tap jump because mid animation, while he's twirling, then it's gonna, interrupt it.
Right.
Shit, your game is a speedrunning nightmare right there, right now. It's so fast.
Yep. Yeah,
But
mine doesn't feel that fast.
I like this, like, yeah, I think the jump is, maybe it's the platforms, but the jump, the height you get when you're jumping, it doesn't feel like a lot. This is only twice? Maybe 2.5?
Yeah, so out of curiosity, can you easily zoom the camera out a little bit?
How do I do that?
I think
your camera.
I thought on the camera just had like a size or something.
Projection size 5. So 4 makes it bigger. You want to zoom out?
Try make it like
change it like to a 7 or 8. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because I was just thinking with that much speed, you need to see more.
Oh.
Or just make it into a nightmare scenario.
Yeah, like you're always like, what the fuck's in front of me?
Yep.
Yeah. So I didn't think about jump height, but now I'm seeing it that it's very little.
Well,
right.
I would feel like you should, at your current, like, see how your platforms are set up?
Yeah.
Your single jump should get to the first platform comfortably, and your single jump should obviously not reach second platform, right? Not so you don't confuse people about like if right. So like you have room to go up in jump height still, assuming you're gonna stick with like, because you kind of want to standardize the distance between between things. Gotta make it easier to do level design, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, I let the dogs back in. All right, back.
At least it's consistent. Like, it used to not be consistent. For some reason.
To me, with the skeleton character, everything seems like the jump heights seem okay. It seems a little too easy.
Yeah.
Like, it's jumping too high.
Okay. Maybe it's the fact that, like, it might be because I kept everything the same but made the character bigger. Is that the reason? I'm not sure. Try play with my current one. I don't think there's code changes, right, between the two?
Probably not. So from your first platform on the left, do a single jump all the way to the right, the third platform. You should be able to.
Wait, from here to this one?
No. Like just first to the second, second to the third, all just single jumps.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to me, that's too easy. Like you shouldn't be able to do that.
You should barely make it.
Yeah, like for me, even with my tiny character, I'm barely making it, but on yours, you're easily making it. Like your jump height is stupid high.
Think so? It's only one. I guess it's a way I set up the stuff too. Yeah.
Let me stream mine. Share. Oh, I can't share just that one thing because it's gonna be too tiny for you. Oh, here it is. Oh, this one.
It says I'm watching the stream, but I can't see. Where are you? Huh?
You can't see my stream.
Oh, there it is. Okay, now I can see it.
All right, so here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm barely making that in terms of the X velocity in the air. See that?
Yeah.
I'm barely making it.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas yours like easily making it.
Yeah.
So that's, to me, this feels normal.
Okay.
Like I was saying, like 1990s type platformers, like you're barely making it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, like this third platform could be slightly more to the right to make it a little bit more challenging.
Yeah. Can you hold jump in when you at the bottom of that? What's the height look like?
Oh,
yeah, just hold.
about
It's about the
half.
same, but the fact that the character itself is smaller compared to current platform, I think that's what's making it. Yeah,
Probably.
The platform was kind of made for the skeleton, I think. So okay.
Yeah, so like even if I fuck up the double jump here, I can't do it with the third jump. So you have to do it right. So I like that.
Mm. Yeah.
I'm fucked.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't think you can do this one.
you can. Yeah, you can do it from the second one. I tried it.
Oh, from the second one?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Before all the changes I did. I don't know what we all changed today. So, but yeah, I was playing around a couple like last night or something like that. I did it.
Yeah, I kind of like this setup.
Okay.
This feels right to me.
Okay.
Like even like just movement. I need to play with the controller instead of the keyboard, but playing on the keyboard feels pretty natural to me.
Yeah. Yeah, in my case, I think it's what do you call it? I need to scale this up to match the character.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that looks cool.
You need me. I need something to hit.
I eventually, fuck. I wanted to get to like actually player health and shit and stuff, but it'll be a while.
Fuck it, make them invisible for now and just put enemies with health.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll keep everything the way you are. Can you push whatever you had? I don't know if I have all your stuff, and then
yeah.
I guess I'll keep the enhance for now, and then just don't touch it until everything's kind of done.
My comment, I don't remember what was changed. Smiley face.
Yeah, I'll diff it.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess whatever we did, like initially I was complaining with this change that I can't strafe left and right, but I think the fact that you made the airstrike factor 1.2, or I made it 2, right? So maybe that's another thing with the horizontal issue, where you can get it so easily right now because I can air strafe a lot faster now than the skeleton. Yeah.
Well, you should pick up an ability to make it move that fast in the air.
Yeah, that might be actually good, yeah. One thing I noticed though, something is weird, is but now I can't do it anymore. Why? Oh, I'm pretty sure that's because of the something would change. But when I was on the wall, right, and if I just jump there and then try to jump off to the right, I would get stuck on the wall.
Oh, I had that. That's the thing I was showing you. Like I got stuck on the wall, like as if there was a ledge there.
Oh, no, I don't mean that. Like as in it was sticking to the wall. As in like if I'm gonna jump off, right, I would go right stick and jump, right, from the wall. But then I would actually just do this. like just jump on the along the wall.
Oh.
But somehow what we did fixed it.
Fixed it.
I don't know if it's an air strafe thing or like something else. I noticed it when I was starting today, and then now it's not happening. So I don't know.
Move the bug. Fix the bug.
Yeah.
So with all this, after you get all your movements, like all the pieces down, like dash, all that other junk,
yeah,
I would then start over with the code, because then you have all the basically the algorithms in pieces. Then you can just reorganize it a little bit cleaner.
Yeah.
And I don't know, like you were already complaining about this code that it doesn't. Some parts don't make sense and some parts do. I would not try to fix their code and just do what you did with like the horizontal velocity acceleration.
Yeah.
Just write your own code, whatever you think makes more sense.
Yeah. I guess, yeah. I mean, I was trying to understand all parts of it before I, do my thing, but I think I'm at a point where I understand all components now. So, yeah.
Just looking at the code, it's more complex than it needs to be.
Yeah, I feel the same.
Which leads to more bugs.
Yeah. So you see this part, the lower side, that I was doing. I wanted to try to just like short jump and see how that feels. I feel like I fixed the sticking to the ceiling part, but I don't know.
I think that's pretty good.
The
whole point is you don't want to be 100% successful when you screw up. You want to be able to fail when you slightly screw up.
Yeah.
Teleported back up there. That was crazy.
Huh?
Like you hit the side of the wall and you just went.
Not on my screen. It looked.
Yeah, I think it's frame rate stuff.
Lost a frame there.
Yeah.
But yeah, so the ground portion, I think like I saw you screw up a couple times.
Yeah.
Or you fell into the water or whatever that's supposed to be. I think that's correct.
Yeah.
Like that, right?
Yeah. If you do it not on the edge, then you fuck up. Yeah.
Yep, exactly. You want to make it just difficult enough.
When I first made the skeleton, I made the height, too small, so I couldn't get this with the double jump. I was practicing this so much. Get this, not hit the ceiling and shit.
Well, I think before double jump, you need to get wall jump.
Yeah, I need to get that done too.
Double jump's a lot easier to implement than wall jump.
Well, yeah, but in terms of like the character's abilities
change, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a higher skill thing, so it's a good idea to introduce it early before it gets complex. Like before you're gonna introduce the more difficult traversal puzzles.
But yeah, I think
get that first.
Yeah, I think horizontal direction change, I think, is good now.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah. Now
you need to figure out your hierarchy in terms of skills in gameplay. What comes first?
Yeah.
Wait. Before you move on from the jump, how easy is it to just add some hang time?
Well, he has it.
It was there before, but I think right now we removed that portion.
I guess I'm just used to looking at the Silk Song because there's a lot of hang time there.
Yeah. So that's the part we just removed though. So I don't know if you wanna.
Well.
Oh no! I mean, I was just curious.
We removed it when you let go of the button early. That's the only block of code that was changed.
Yeah. Oh, but by default we want to add a hang time. But we can't add it because on short jumps we don't want to have hang time.
Well, yeah, you only want hang time.
So we want on the long jumps we want to have hang times.
Yeah.
So somehow we need to introduce it back later.
Well, I mean, you have it already.
But then like I do agree, it felt very floaty. I don't know. Maybe just juggle with numbers again.
Is there a gravity modifier somewhere? Like a
Yeah, he
global
does.
gravity? Can you just try changing that to about like 80% of what it's at?
Well, in line 76.
Of?
Yeah, the file. 76
Oh,
or
yeah.
75.
Yeah.
One of
Gravity
them.
scale plus times gravity. Yeah, so it's using, and I'm assuming gravity is the global unity gravity physics number.
Yeah, or it's just a constant that we have, which is I think wait, why didn't I save this? What is this?
Just F12 it.
Yeah, F12 that bitch.
On gravity, yeah. Protected float gravity.
Oh, it's calculated in here.
Oh.
It's calculated based on
I thought Unity just had like a global.
There is, but we're not using it.
Oh, that's crazy.
So it's calculated based on jump height, I think.
Oh,
really?
Yeah.
It feels like a number that you should not have.
There's a scale, but then
the guy who made this is weird.
That's what I've been saying.
Why is the jump height?
I think it's in like the project settings, right, or something like that.
Jump time to apex squared. So double the jump height divided by jump time to apex. Interesting.
So if I can make this 3 times the jump height. Oh, that's higher. That's higher.
Yeah.
Gotta make
something.
The time to the apex is the hang time, right?
Wait.
That's gonna be way too small.
A little bit higher.
Say again?
No, never mind. Sorry. I thought that was a different value. Sorry.
You're cubing that, which means the denominator is gonna be really
Oh, it's
big.
power. I thought it was a.
Yeah. So just change that 2 in the front to like a 1.5 or something.
Oh wait, I could increase the jump height actually. That's what I wanted, right? Originally. Hold on.
There's too many knobs to tweak.
Yeah. 8.
Less knobs to tweak is better.
He has all of these are sliders. You can change them while you're playing the game.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just not used to changing it around.
Just go to your jump controller script now, like close or not close, but minimize all the others on the right, so you can see the jump controller script.
Collapse.
Yeah, or collapse. Yeah, that's the word.
What I don't like is the stupid thing. I don't want this while I'm changing things around.
Click on the gizmos off. Yeah.
What is that?
Click on the gizmos. Top
left.
Up, left.
A little bit.
Left.
A little bit more left. A little bit
Oh.
more. There you go.
No, not the drop down. Just click on gizmos.
Oh my god, thank you. I like that's probably biggest reason I kept like not using it.
But yeah, so like now, so where's
some hang
Your jump height wasn't
max
changed.
jump height right there, 1.5. You can change it to a number right now and just see how it feels.
Wait.
Oh wait.
Wait, why is min jump height 1.5 and max jump hold time?
Hold on, where did I not save this?
I thought you saved it.
Jump
But it didn't
height
take.
Oh, because it was running?
No, you saved it before it was running.
Now it's changed. Like I've reset it to like take it back for some reason. Woo! Woo!
Maybe that. What the fuck number was it before?
4. I just doubled in.
Oh, yeah, maybe like 5 or 6.
Well, you don't want the height. You want the time. You want the hang time, right?
Well, he also wanted the height to be a little bit higher. Yeah. I finally fixed my Unity connecting to my Visual Studios.
Wait, which one was the
Piece of shit.
time to apex one? Why is it 0.4? Was it 0.4 in here too?
No, time to apex would be kind of like your acceleration.
Oh.
Yeah, how long it takes to go from starting your
Yeah.
jump to
Oh,
hitting the
okay.
apex.
It would be your was it your max jump hold time instead of 1? Make it like 1 point something.
Project settings.
But this is not part of the gravity.
Yeah, you don't you want to change your hang time, not the gravity, right?
Oh yeah. Okay,
I was saying,
make that back to 4.
I was asking about the gravity just because the character looks very leaden when he's falling down, like he's dropping like he weighs 7,000 pounds.
Wait, but why is this 1.46? What happened there? Minimum jump height was 1 point.
Yeah, okay, so they just set gravity to 9.8 squared, or negative 9.8 squared on the Y.
Let's exit play mode to save the scene.
What changed?
You move like a rock.
Yeah, what changed?
I don't know. You're gonna have to undo some shit.
I thought you only changed the jump height.
No, something else was changed too. Just keep on doing.
There's got to be a way to hotkey the reset button.
Why am I moving? What the hell was that? Why am I moving so fast all of a sudden? What the fuck is going on? I broke the game. Wait, did all the scripts that changed did not take effect or something? What the hell?
I'm wondering. And then hit stop first. Just so it's not, there's no weird conflict. Just undo what was done. Gravity, power.
Oh, the acceleration was. I just changed that to the same, but no. So that's okay. What about this one? Because I didn't have that saved at some point. What is this? They're being end up. Oh, that's the airstrip thing, right? So there was. I think it was.
2 is what you liked.
No, it was like a little too fast. So let me make it 1.5. Then I think that was it here. What about here? That's the releasing early thing. So that's that's fine. Okay, let's see.
Oh, that's weird. When you hit save, it's not synced to your Unity. Whenever I hit save, a bar pops up on my Unity. What? It looks back to the way it was.
Yeah. What did you want to see, Johnny? I forgot.
Hang time?
Oh no, it's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm dicking around over here.
I mean, it looks better, right? So I can play around with numbers here. We wanted to change the. I really want to see. Hold on, I'm gonna stop it and reset this. Make sure it actually goes back to whatever my script has. Think it was a minimum jump height you wanted to change, or no, jump hold time. Right?
Yeah.
0.5.
So weird. Changing the values inside of this jump controller doesn't seem to be affecting things the way, if at all.
Change that max jump hold time to like 10. What happens?
It does get longer.
Doesn't do anything.
Well, just turn off double jump and see if it's still
No, that works.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay, because on mine I turned double jump off and it doesn't.
Really? It works for me.
I can trip. Oh, it's because I have. Do I have a triple jump enabled or something?
I think you'd probably do.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I have allowed triple jump enabled. Okay, that makes more sense. was gonna say, man, because I'm like fucking with the jump height number. Like it was 4, and I made it like 200, and nothing changed.
But
Just to
that max
see.
jump hold time doesn't make any sense. Why making it? What the fuck?
Yeah, it doesn't affect it.
Why is that not working?
The only bad part about playing with the sliders is that when you stop, it doesn't save the values. If you find
Yeah.
like, oh, I got it perfect.
What you
Like,
like, yep.
take like a
So
screenshot.
hold on. If I long
Yeah.
jump right now, it reaches the top of that.
How come
My head
jump
jumps.
height changing to a large number didn't do anything?
This jump height not being used.
It's for the
Max
gravity
hold,
calculation.
Coyote time. Jump cutoff factor. What the fuck does that do?
It's used
Just
for
click on jump height. The first hit. And yeah, right click, show all references. Or find all references. Down, 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 right there. So it's only being used
for these two.
is that 23 and 73?
Oh yeah, I changed this minimum jump velocity because I didn't think it made sense before. It was the whatever I commented out here. I don't even actually know what this minimum jump velocity means, but... And then the comment above is my attempt at trying to understand what's supposed to be minimum jump velocity.
So you only use it to calculate physics and that's it. Is it even being used for the jump at all?
For jump velocity. Jump
What's
velocity,
jump
I think
time to apex set at?
0.4.
What is that, a 0.4 or 8.4?
Yeah, 0.4.
I can't hear Jung. I don't know if he's talking.
0.4, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Oh, 0.4. Sorry, I accidentally muted.
0.4 jump time to apex. Your jump height is something ginormous.
Shouldn't you get there really quick?
Yeah, but it wasn't working. I think he said it at like 100.
Oh. Is that maybe that big block? Oh, so much code is commented out. Are you double checking that you're actually using that value?
Which code?
Just a lot of code is commented out.
Yeah, just a lot of random stuff is commented out. So you may calculate the value but never use it.
No, I use it. Which one are you talking about specifically? Jump height?
No, the time to apex.
It's used to calculate.
Oh, it's used to calculate gravity or.
Yeah, jump velocity.
Gravity and jump velocity.
So if you were to change jump height to something ginormous, it should work. Like your gravity would change, your jump velocity would change. Everything should change and should work, but some reason when you set it to 100, it wasn't going to 100.
Oh, I changed the script, so I gotta start over.
Oh, is that why?
I need to go to that area. This is not enough data over here. So this one, if I hold it, the tip of the hat goes to the top of the second platform. Same.
Yeah, what the? Oh, it's because your gravity's only calculated at init. Calculate physics values only. Where's the reference to that? Click on the one reference to the left.
Right above the name.
Right above the protected. Yeah, click on that and then click on calculate. Yep.
Yeah, awake.
Awake. Oh wait, settle.
Isn't that every? No, it's only once it.
It doesn't call awake
up,
every frame. It calls awake when it's created and then when if you put it to sleep.
Yeah. So it's always.
That's why changing that doesn't change anything.
Oh, I see. Because I need to do it in the script in that case.
Yeah. Who exposes a freaking value that you can't change real time? So dumb.
A lot of the variable names need to be changed because
it's funny though, because you can change the gravity scale and fall gravity scale numbers real time.
Yeah, where is that?
It's under physics configuration. There's gravity scale and gravity fall scale, or fall gravity scale.
Yeah, because those are used in the
jump controller.
Yeah. Applied jump is used there.
You can dig around with the fall gravity scale to make the fall a little bit, crisper, but
didn't change. Feels the same. It's worse. Oh, never mind, because it was hitting.
The hell did you
change? Oh, it didn't update. God, I hate this thing. I have to, every time I update the script.
You set the jump height to 10.
I have to update the freaking script or the inspector, and then I can do it.
Whoa! And now your fall feels weird because you go up so quick.
And it also affects the gravity, I
You're
think.
muted again,
That's what it is. Oh, god damn it.
Is there a hotkey for mute that you keep pressing?
0. That's probably like 10.
You have to undo because you made the variable name 0.
Oh. So what is that, 4?
Yeah, it was 4.
Interesting problem to have.
Wait, don't you have like a Stream Deck or whatever?
Me? I have a Steam Deck. Yeah.
No, John.
Steam Deck or Stream Deck? No.
No.
Or...
Oh, Stream Deck.
Yes.
Stream Deck, yeah.
I have one. You want it?
No, I have one.
Oh, I like that thing. I just never use it. I actually should bust it out. I wanted to write my own like macros for it, and the API was like crap.
Oh.
I might do the physics all over again once I start over. I don't know. This changing this feels like it changed gravity and like jump speed or something for some reason.
I would keep gravity separate from. I wouldn't have it tied to the jump height.
Yeah, yeah.
It should be a constant and not ever really changing unless the environment changes.
Yeah, the gravity number, but having like a gravity multiplier makes sense, right? But like, yeah, the gravity changing is super weird. Like, you might want to like increase the gravity to so that way you like go up, you hang, and then you fall real quick, right?
Yeah.
No, I bring up the Stream Deck so you can have a button to mute instead of pressing 0.
Yeah, I guarantee you it's macro or bound to 0 because on his
MMO mouse.
Yeah, his MMO mouse, that's the button he presses, and he bounded that button to 0.
Yeah, it's because I need it during like raiding and streaming. That's the button I use to talk to stream while I'm doing this stuff. Yeah.
So it doesn't bother his teammates.
Yeah.
Okay, boys. You
so
guys have fun. I'll see you at work tomorrow.
Okay,
yeah,
see
I
ya.
gotta go to sleep too.
One thing with the gravity, I don't know, like having separate value. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't matter because at this point, this is initialized with that, right? And it doesn't change in the very beginning. It's just how it's set, right? Based on whatever parameter is. But so maybe it doesn't matter. But like,
well, it does matter because gravity changes based off your jump height. So it just feels weird when you jump stupid high. The gravity just looks weird.
Yeah.
Like you jumping high should not change how gravity works.
Yeah. But so without that, I can still like deal with hang time and stuff. If
What do you without that?
I guess it doesn't matter. Like I have other stuff that like
Yeah, you don't need to dick around with the gravity number. You can have a gravity scale number that you multiply gravity by when you want to turn gravity down, like inside your code. But
yeah,
that would, you know.
Yeah, I think 4 is probably just the best right now. This feels really weird. Okay. I'm gonna keep it.
Anyways, yep. You guys have fun. I'll see you lunch tomorrow.
Alrighty. See ya.
The biggest thing is for your calculations, try not to have everything so intermingled, so changing one changes like 5 things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because then that gets so confusing.
Yep.
So that's where this code kind of makes it stupid difficult.
Yeah, there's just too many things to keep track of for me.
Yeah.
You know?
Alrighty.
Okay. See ya.
See you tomorrow.
Well, fun stuffs. What time is it? Yeah, I might do some couple drawings and stuff and not mess with the code.